Okay, you guys, so I'm in this last trade. I didn't send this out to the group because it's Friday. We already did enough for the week. I'm taking this little mini, tiny trade because I only need like 200 more dollars to be able to pass this prop firm challenge, and I don't want to go too far over. And then they reset uh, my uh, my target, saying, "Oh, yeah, you went past the whatever they call that consistency, So I don't want to make too much, and then they push the target out further. So I only need like 200 bucks left on this little prop firm account, and this one is just a 25K account. You only need 1,200 bucks to pass. So just using the mini version of ES, and just taking it slow. It's Friday for those who watch this later. But let me go over what happened with the rest of the group, the copycat. We smashed it like nobody's business, as you guys can see right here. We had 13 wins, only 3 losses, 555 pips with an 81.25% win rate. Also, let me grab this other matrix and show you this. This is also for gold and silver. Give me a second. And let me pull this screenshot over. I can't show you the actual screen because sometimes they have more data on there that I'm not allowed to share. So this is what Dr. Elvis did for our gold and silver. And over here, it was 100% win rate. He took 6 trades, massive gains right here. So that was good for all our copycat members. Over 29,000 pipperoos for that. And also I posted up the results of the trades from Miss Jenny, who was trading the indices for us and has been breaking records. So I'm very happy with everything that went on this week. As far as for the future signals, we came out very well. Early in the week, it was pretty choppy because, the Fed interest rate news. But, and we ended up closing, we took a trade on 6B and held it overnight. It didn't move much, but, this morning it dropped down a little bit more into profit. So I just told him, hey, man, let's just go ahead and take our money and close the week out strong. We hit a real big one on 6E, and we had some other trades in between there as well. So overall, man, it was a very beautiful week for trading. And so I'll leave the links below if you guys want to join any of our services. If not, just continue to watch our videos, as I'm posting up and things like that in the results. So anyway, just wanted to give a quick Friday wrap up and let you guys enjoy your weekend. Peace and hair.